All right, everybody, we are here looking at a set of Razer Thresher Tournament Edition headphones, and we're going to do an ear pad installation. So probably one of the easiest ear pad installations ever, really fast. Just so you know, this does apply to the Thresher 7.1, the Thresher Tournament Edition, and the Thresher Ultimate headphones. So what we're going to do, flip our ear pads around, and even though the actual installation of these ear pads is exactly like Man O' War headphones, but the ear pads are different. So even though it's the same installation process, the ear pads are different. You cannot buy Man O' War ear pads and put them on Threshers, and you cannot buy Thresher ear pads and put them on Man O' Wars, just so you know. These are nice and simple. You're just going to grab the ear pad here, pinching with your thumb and your finger, and you're going to pull up, and it pops straight off. You can see that it is shaped with a plastic frame, and that plastic, you see where the L is right there? That just matched up to the L down here, and it fits on, no problem. So you have these three little plastic bits that need to go into these three little holes on the face of the headphone. And that is it. Straightforward and simples. Now we offer these ear pads in PU leather like the original, and we also have them in PU leather with cool gel on top. So other than that, if you have any questions, hit me up at info@accessoryhouseglobal.com. Thanks.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Monty gets way more biscuits that way. Well, he gets a lot of biscuits anyways. But it helps the channel out, so help a brother out.